In February of 2023, I got an email that went to all the public health students explaining that there was a really great opportunity about a study abroad. I had never been abroad and I really wanted to go. Study abroad took place in July. I didn't know how to do the passport paperwork, so I was on my own doing that. A really big help would have been to have a passport workshop, preferably the fall before. I had to figure out where to get my picture, how to do the paperwork. I wasn't sure if I was doing it correctly. I was also really nervous because I had never been out of the United States. I'm also a mama too, so I had to worry about childcare and stuff like that, plus work and school. But getting to go to Poland was a huge game changer. I'm one of those people who tends to learn better on hand. Without the scholarships and the support of the staff at the university, I probably wouldn't have been able to go.
I will be going on the Poland trip to the Poznan University of Medical Sciences. I think when I first saw it and then saw the price, I was thinking, I don't think I could do it. When I first initially looked at it, I looked at the website and looked at what everything cost, and I thought the price that I saw on the website was kind of the full total. It wasn't really registering to me that I probably would have to buy the plane tickets. But then I told my mom, she was like, how much is it? And I told her the price, and she was a little surprised at first because I don't think she knew. She was like, did you have to pay it all now? Like, do you have to pay for the trip and then the cost and then how's everything gonna work out? So I told her I was paying it in kind of parts. Like I paid for the program at once and then the plane ticket. So then I was just thinking I can just work to make the money. I was like, well, this is a once in a lifetime. I'm probably gonna be too busy after I graduate college. My one concern would kind of be a language barrier. Dr. A told us that most of them can understand English, but it's better to kind of learn the language. And I've tried to learn the language like through Duolingo.
I'm going to Paris over the summer. I was hesitant because it is a lot of money. I mean, in our first meeting, I know she said that I guess the estimate was like $4,000, right? But I know that in the end, it'll be worth it. My parents are actually not really helping me out, and that's just, I prefer for them because I feel I'm working, I have a job as a server, and I have some savings, so I know that helps. I've also gotten some, I have scholarships that help me here at USCB, and there was a refund for this semester, and I used that to pay for my ticket. But other than, I guess, scholarships and personal savings, that's what I've been sticking to. And I'm going because I really think this is a great opportunity to go explore another area without being completely alone. Because with French, it's kind of difficult to speak French with other people if there's no one around me who speaks French. Although we do have flyers and people might just walk by and they might not notice it, and some students have Dr. A, but most of the other student body here, they don't have Dr. A as a teacher, so they don't necessarily hear about all the wonderful things that happen or can happen at study abroad. Just pushing it out more through social media that's really, I think, important, because the word spreads quickly on social media.
So one of the things that I'm really looking forward to, looking over the schedule, is going to Notre Dame. We're going to go to one of the masses of Notre Dame. We're also going to go to the Louvre to see the Mona Lisa, of course. And it's hilarious the way that you can tell Dr. Alves has done this for a while. Before we go in, we're going to get there about 2 hours early to make sure that we have a good spot in line. And we're going to have like this battle plan. She's going to sit us down in the line and she's like, okay, this is the way we're going to get to the Mona Lisa. You're going to take this way, this way, this way. Go there, take your picture, get out, and then you can enjoy the rest of the museum and whatnot. There seems to be more girls going. Maybe just guys aren't interested at going abroad, whereas girls seem to be more outgoing, and this will be like my senior trip and whatnot because I'm graduating. So I'm treating myself to that a little bit. So I'm hoping and relying on the study abroad scholarship to come through and any other scholarships that I can apply for. Most of my family is supportive of it. My father is a little hesitant towards it because it is leaving the country and going to Europe. And some of the global state right now is somewhat questionable. I don't have a significant other, so I'm not attached to anyone or anything, so I'm ready to go.